This is so pretty. I'm very excited to put on this product. Hey Charmers, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to do two simple and glamorous looks using the Ciate Eye Lustre Cream Shadows in the shade Ice and Cupid. All of you might be receiving either one of these shades in May's box. So without further ado, let's get started.
Alright Charmers, so I'm going to do a super easy eye look using the Ciate. This is the Eye Lustre Creme Eyeshadow in the shade Ice that some of you might be receiving in this month's box. And what I really like about this product is the applicator because it makes it so easy to put on your eyes. So basically what we're going to do is go for a very icy type of look. This product is very pigmented, so you don't need to pack on that much. And I'm actually gonna take the brush from last month's box because I love it so much. And I'm just gonna start dabbing the product into my eye. So we're just gonna start off with one layer and we're just gonna start blending and keep adding as we go. So this is my first layer and I'm just gonna put this all over my lid and buff it out into my crease. I'm gonna go on with the second layer just because I want it to be extra icy. But if you like more like just a regular simple little glitter, you can just do the first layer, but we like to be extra around here. I want to go in for a little bit more. And now taking that other brush from last month's box, the Luxie 245, it's a little bit flatter and easier for me to get in those very tough places around my eye. I'm going to just, with the applicator, take a little bit and I'm going to drag this along my lower lash line to really get that glittery eye look. So this look is cute. Whether you want to do it on the bottom lash line or on the top, you can do it either or. It's super cute as is, but I want to do it on both. And if you don't have a highlighter on you or whatever the case, you can actually just take the same color Ice. And then now just for an extra pop, and this is gonna make my eyes look bigger and it's gonna make my eyes look lighter, I'm gonna go ahead and take the same shade and just put it right here. And again, always start off with less just so you can start building it up more in case you mess up. So I'm gonna start off with a little bit and then just kind of build up the color. This is really gonna intensify the look and open up my eyes. It's actually really cute though. Yeah. It's like cute and silvery, very sweetie. Okay. Now we're gonna quickly do the other eye, super quick, so follow along. All right, so that was super easy for me for my look because it's just glitter, super in now. I see like all the top celebs do this, especially when they go to festivals and stuff, and they look amazing. They literally just have glitter on their eyes. So I really like it. It's icy, it's silvery, very Xenon girl of the 21st century vibe, you know, so it's really cute. And you can even get creative, use this as highlight. You can use this on your lips, but I love to use it all over my eyes because it gives me a super quick, easy look. And that's it. Done like that.
So for the eyeliner look that I'm going to be creating today, I'm going to take the shade Cupid and apply it to the back of my hand, like so. I'm going to be generous so that I have enough to dip my brush into because I will be taking a detailed brush like this one. Cat eyes always make me very nervous. So I'm going to map it out. And draw across to the middle of my eye. I'm gonna take a little bit more and then connect from the inner corner to the middle of my eye. I'm just gonna wing the end out just a little bit more for a more dramatic effect. So I just put on the first layer, but I'm gonna let this dry a little bit and then go in for coat number 2. Okay, so I'm gonna go in now for coat number 2. Just to intensify. The color.
Yeah, that looks really good now.
Take a little bit more. For coat 2, I'm just stamping it on. I'm not going too crazy by like dragging the brush across my eye. Just stamping. Okay, I think that looks really good. So a little tip when I'm doing eyeliner like this, I take a flat brush and I use it to clean up the edges if I, made a mistake. I don't think I have any crazy mistakes here. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the second eye. Just letting it dry. All right, Charmer, so this is a finished look. I put on some mascara and I really like it a lot. It's very simple, super easy for summer. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, Charmers.